video. Actually, I got many comments and many were suggesting me to come to the video instead of those subtitles and narration things. So I decided to make a travel report on the train, and the train which I'm going to make a travel report today is none other than the new sensation in Indian Railways, which is the Tejas Express. Yeah, it's from Goa to Mumbai. I mean Karmali to Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. And currently I am on board on the same train, and this train is quite comfortable. I am in the executive class, as you can see, and the coach is comparatively full. Hardly 5 to 10 seats empty, though my co-passenger is not there, it's empty, but it's not that much empty. So let's start with the trains, okay, and the details about it. So on the first we'll see the locomotive of this train and what it is. Let's see the locomotive. At the back you can see the logo of the Tejas. I'll show it to you once again. This is the logo of the Tejas, and it is a WDP-3A class 15535, and it is not a new one. Actually, it is transferred from GOC shed and painted in Tejas livery. Livery means the paint color, the scheme is equivalent to the Tejas Express, and this is supposed to run at 120 km/h, but due to monsoon timetable, it will be restricted to 110 for the time being. Okay, after the locomotive, now you can see the coach which I am traveling. This is the executive coach, E1, executive class, and you can see the executive class coach. My coach, E1 executive class, is the only one executive class in this train, and here is my attendant going, and let's show you the interiors of this coach. See, the doors are automatic. It's the first time in India that a train has automatic doors. I mean, a passenger train having automatic doors, and this is, I think, for protection for the rain. Let's come inside. We have CCTV cameras over here. That's a good thing. Smoke detectors, alarms. Go to the washrooms. Washrooms have soap dispensers, automatic taps, chargers, and it is quite clean. And you have smoke detection system in bathrooms also, so you cannot smoke in the washrooms also. This is the Indian style. I'll show you the Western style. This is the Western style, and everything is in braille. So for blinds also you can see. Paper roll, automated, same thing, just the Western style. Go inside the coach. This is the executive class, okay, and the seat is 2x2 as usually in Shatabdi. You can see the infotainment or the LED screens. The screen are wider than chair cars. And the extra thing you can see over there is this one. This is for the leg support. You can see in multi-axle buses. This is the first time in India. Seats are Rexin type, but they're good in quality. Cameras inside the coach also. Smoke detectors, washroom indicators, and it is too much humid actually. This is the same again, the pantry room. The dress of pantry, and the coach and the guard van over there, the generator. Next you can see the chair car coach, which is a CC one, and it is a little bit narrower but comfortable. Actually I chose executive class because it's a 9 hours journey, so I decided to choose the executive class, but chair car is equally good and you can travel in that thing also. Let's have a look on the chair car. Chair car, this is the trolley system which you can see in the aircraft. The features are mostly from the aircraft. One is a sliding door, and this is the chair car. Even you can see cameras also over here and smoke detecting alarms. The seats are not that much wider, but still more comfortable. The screen is a little bit smaller, but it's okay. Infotainment, you can see people using the screens and infotainment systems. and it is quite packed. I got packed from the edge. Actually, initially it was running in waiting. Now you can get some seats over here. And let's see the washrooms of the CC. This is again the same washroom, nothing much difference. Smoke detecting alarm is over here also. And over here also. Same, nothing more. The thing about this thing is this is automatic dispenser for the liquid soap. The liquid soap is coming automatically, and this is electronically thing. So I don't have to use a button, just have to interface with the infrared over here and the water will come out. If I remove it, it automatically off. Then on, off. This is a new feature, and this type of interior you can see in Humsafar also actually. And everything is braille over here. That is a very good thing for Indian Railways. And after this chair car, you can see the door, which is fully automated. You can see the light glowing out, and it's indicating that the door will close. The exterior of the chair cars. There are 12 chair cars over here and one executive class. And these are automated doors. I'll show how it works. It's too much humid over here. Here's the emergency switch. You cannot open the doors, but in time of emergency you can use this to open the doors. There's nothing nowhere you can open it. You can see it over here. It's fully automated. Gravity part. This is the alarm for the door. And the door gets closed. Now we don't have access to open the door. It will be opened at only the commercial stops, not any technical or any passing by stops. And let's start. Okay, now the door got closed, so now we should start our journey. Now we can't pick out of the door, so we have to shoot everything from inside the coach only. So it's the starting from Karmali station. To enjoy it. Parting Karmali. The windows are wider, you can see. Oh my God, Here you can see my attendant serving water bottles and newspapers, and you can see the fancy dress. Actually, this is the new Tejas uniform. It's just matching to the Goa style, and this is the aircraft reselecting. This humming noise because my train is passing through a tunnel. Rail leaves, and we are crossing some bridge. The monsoon is very beautiful during Konkan is very beautiful during monsoon. Sorry, pardon me. Full of lush green. And we are crossing Zuari Bridge. Speed you can see over there, it's around 90 due to monsoon timetable. the comfort, this train is very much comfortable. Executive class is the best I've experienced in comfort. I can show the seat. I am literally sitting with my folded legs. Wait, I'll show you. This is a footrest or leg rest, you can say. I'm literally sitting. This is quite comfortable thing, and this is that extra thing, footrest, that you can see only in multi-axle buses. This is the first time it has been implemented over here. Amongst the many features, the main thing which the Tejas is known for is the infotainment system, the screen which is just in front of me. I'll show it to you. I know you must be waiting for it. Let me show it to you. This is the infotainment system. The infotainment in executive class is a little bit wider with more features than chair car, and it is powered by Meghdoot. Okay, so let me see what we have. This is a USB charging cable from which I am charging my phone. You can see the speed over here. The train 90 kilometers per hour because of the monsoon restrictions, and we are provided with the earphones. Actually, initially the earphones provided were of Philips, but due to the vandalism which you must have read in newspaper, they replaced it and now they are giving inferior quality. Though I didn't need it, but I took it to show it to you. I have my own earphones. I'll plug it in. The sound quality is very good. These are two inputs for earphones. This is the one light. You can see it over here. This is the light, reading light, I think. I don't know what it is for. This is a power button for switching it off and on. This is off. This is on. Okay, now what we have? Movie section. We have IRCTC, Konkan Tourism, video songs, Marathi, English, and animated movie, Hindi movie. Let me see in IRCTC what we have. The Maharaja is an ad for the Indian Railways, and these are the normal things. Video songs, let me see. It says 99 plus, classical, item dance, new songs. Let me see what we have. Ajay, Diwana, Andazgi, Bajdi, there are many songs. Those all mostly old, like 90s songs. So I changed my screen because of the brightness issues. The sun was directly falling on that seat. So now we go into the movie section again. And let me see which movies they have. And let's go to the English one now. Touch is not that responsive, but Zero Dark 30 we have, and August HD, but Zero Dark 30. Everyone can have that Osama thing. How did they kill that Osama? And Bal Ganesh in animated and Ghatotkaч in the animated movies. And in Hindi we have around 9 movies. We have around, I don't know, Fight Club, Golmaal, my favorite, Barefoot, M. Johnny something, Mr. Joy, I don't know which Hindi movie is this. Mere Dost, Mughal Azam, they have vintage movies also, Neel Kamal. Let's go back. Now let's start with music. We have a metal house called soundtracks, and there are a lot of music. Wazeer, Sanam Teri Kasam, Tumsa Nahi Dekha, and various other things. Next is FM radio. I don't know it plays or not. Yeah, there's an internet radio also, though there's a Wi-Fi in executive class, but today it's not working. We shall go back. Next is PIS, Public Information System. Let me see what's this. Yeah, this is the thing. The next stopping station is Godal. Approximate distance is 27 kilometers. Great. After 27 kilometers, the door will open. There's no speed over here, which I can see. Just the date and the time. Speed though I can show you, it's around 89. And you can see these normal things. No speed over here. And we can see in games, I can show you there's some games. Angry Birds, Candy Crush, Hill Climb, my favorite. Short Apple, I'll go on the hill climb. Let's start. Let's have a race. Took gas. I used to play this around 2 to 3 years back. Now after a long time playing this. Okay, fine, enough for now. And we have some photos. Let me see. Some normal photos and promotions. And we have nothing more. That's all for the infotainment. One more great feature which I see in this thing is this call button, which you usually find in first class ACs. This is good, just like aircraft thing. This I've called for this. This is the light it's illuminated. And let's see when he comes. Next coach, and it is comparatively full. You can see people are enjoying using the infotainment, watching movies, and here people are enjoying, and my attendant is searching for the lunch, breakfast. Skipping Satwandi. It is very much hot and humid outside. And we are arriving Kudal. And the infotainment system saying we are going to arrive. The train is at good speed. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes. And here comes my breakfast. We arrived in Godal. And when people will vote for me, I'll show you the gate, how it will operate. The train is going to stop and we'll get an indication actually over here for the door opening. And after that the door will open, and we can't open it actually. Though we can open it, but it's just for emergency purpose. So just wait, I'll show you how it works. As you can see, it will stop now. Though I can see a lot of people over there. This train has got a lot of passengers now. Initially it was running for waiting. Wait, the sign will go. Wait for the beep. Yeah. and the door gets open. And the only time we can come out is when it has the scheduled stop. Else we cannot. And you can see this thing, this is a vinyl actually, it's not a paint. The actual color is blue over here. People are boarding from Kodal. And I can show you the speed limit of this train. It is 200 kilometers per hour. And it is the first LHP to have a 200 kilometer thing. All the rest of the things had 160 and this had 200. Though the MPS of the section is 120, but it is designed to run at 200 kilometers per hour. And this is a vinyl scheme. You can see it is a vinyl, it's not a paint over here. And the rest I'll tell you later. You can see the breakfast served over here. This is the cornflakes. This is a cutlet, which I'll show it to you. This is a bread, muffin, mongeese, jam, tomato ketchup, sugar, butter, and the cutlery system. And do I opt for cutlet because when the omelette gets a little bit cold, it doesn't taste good. In the lunch, I'll go for non-veg, and those extra sugar which I ordered, and my attendant gave it to me. Wait, I'll show you how the cutlet looks like. Veg cutlet, though it's standard in Shatabdis, it will look the same only. Yeah, told you. Cutlet with french fries and bread. That's all for my breakfast. And we are departing Kodal. The way before time over here, so that's why we had a long stop. So simply watching Golmaal, one of my favorite movie, Vasuli Bhai. And this yogurt came after, and the dessert. My TD is checking and even taking feedbacks from the passengers, and that is a good thing, a plus point. He was very generous and very kind type of person. Just came, just asked my name, checked as I was having my breakfast, didn't ask my ID. As you can see the crossing, most of the train are waiting for this train to pass, as this is getting a high priority in Congo Railways. Let's see in Central what it happens. This is most probably, I'll let you know later which train this is. You can see the coffee being served. Nescafe and Amul creamer, the sugar, and it is served in porcelain cups. This is good. Actually, it is standard in executive class. Golmaal is being played over here, one of my favorite movie. Everyone is having their breakfast. And my breakfast actually was little bit hungry, actually very much hungry. And the breakfast was good, up to the mark for the first AC class, I mean executive class thing. Food was good, quality was good, it was hot, and the serving was also very good. And what else? Next will be the soup and lunch. That will be around, I think, 11 o'clock, most probably. Or not 11, 11:30, 1 hour later. And I forgot to tell you, this is the YouTube t-shirt. It is among those goodies which YouTube gave me in the creator events. This is among that. That's YouTube.
ही नहीं यार अभी तक गोवा में
Though we were stopped here unofficially, we were supposed to have a crossing with Goa Rajdhani. I mean Madgaon Rajdhani. Maybe it has been a little bit of delay in its run. So we were given a starter and we are now again moving towards Ratnagiri. Ratnagiri is approximately 117 kilometers from here. Since we are entering into the Ghat, actually it's not the Ghat coach right now, but when it is moving towards Goa, it is a Ghat coach. And these are the normal things. The gate operating system, which is the new thing over here, is this thing. The guard operates the gates over here. The green thing which you can see is the door opening thing, and the red thing is the door closing thing. It has the individual buttons for guards also. The yellow thing on the right side is open for guard door, this one. And I think one is release, I don't know, okay, fine. Release is a thing which is, for opening for this side, this has to be put, and for this side, this has to be put. And after that, the open and close has to be done. So this is the new feature in Tejas, which is the first train in Indian Railways, the first train. And this is a public announcement system. You can see in other Rajdhanis and Shatabdis also. Monsoon is a bliss in Konkan, as you can see. The totally it's green. And it's looking very nice actually. This is one of those infinite tunnels which are there in Konkan.
देखो ना मैं वेज खाऊंगा दोनों तो प्रॉब्लम में वेज वेरी दो देखते हैं उतना मन नहीं है पार्सल लेके जाएंगे मेरा किसकी लगा उसकी लगा वो के लिए ये इससे अच्छा वो तो पार्टी होगी दो दे देना पार्टी होगी दो दे देना एक ही जगह
because of this packed tunnel. Scenery is very good, full green, green, green. Sorry for the laugh, it was because of the movie actually. This is the Madgaon Jan Shatabdi. There was a long tunnel, actually, the longest tunnel, and the coach is fully covered with smoke. It's not or visible actually, but this is the city of Ratnagiri, and we are about to reach Ratnagiri. The train has slowed down, and you can see it hasn't rained over here, as it was raining past Over there, it's not raining over here. Actually, it's quite dry over here. This is the Ratnagiri station. And you can see the roll on roll off over here. The Roro system where trucks are loaded on the truck, freight, flatbed, and they are sent over in Konkan. It's an economical process because roads are not that good over here. And we reach Ratnagiri. And the train is about to stop and the gate will open. Just wait for the indicator. After the indicator, the gate will open. Actually, I like the system a lot. Security is very good over here. Finally, after a long time, I'm out of my coach. And this is the Ratnagiri station. My pantry guy is running actually. He is going to collect the lunch over there. And I like the color actually. And these are the technical staff. And they are very friendly actually.
शिवाजी टर्मिनस मुंबई आने वाली गैलेक्सी एक्सप्रेस इस गाड़ी के दरवाजे बंद हो रही है, कृपया यात्रीगण अपने अपने स्थान ग्रहण करें.
This is the announcement for the gate being closed. Yeah, and the signal and the gate is going. The gate is closed and we'll depart. The mic has been left accidentally on and we can listen everything, but it's being operated at guard's cabin. So the TT went to inform him and we are departing Ratnagiri.
पण मी एकपर्यंत म्हटलं एक गाणं
This is Mighty double decker. It was looped for us and it is quite full actually. This is the same Indore Habibganj double decker which Rake has been transferred to CR. And we are at Borke. From the last around 3 to 4 minutes, the train is passing through a tunnel only. And being a AC coach also, the coach is almost full with smoke. So I can imagine what happens to a non-AC coach. I can see this coach is looking a little bit smoggy. The smell is totally off. No smoke only. And this is a movie which I'm watching. The tunnel we are crossing actually. one tunnel, the second tunnel is again coming. If you can see, we are crossing through Oxley, and this station is just after the tunnel. This tunnel is double line. The preparation for the soup is being done, and the super cool guy added it. And he's doing his work very calmly, coolly, and with a smile always on his face. और हमारा अटेंडेंट भैया बहुत ही अच्छे से अपना काम कर रहे हैं और स्माइल है हमेशा इनके फेस पे। थैंक यू भैया। Contains breadsticks, butter, tomato, and some cutlet, I think. It is some vada, not vada type actually, some vegetable cutlet type thing, square shape, vegetable soup, breadcrumbs. This is a Goa Rajdhani and it is delayed by around 4 hours. We are crossing that. There's one more train, I don't know which train this is, I'll update it later on. Actually we overtook it. Beautiful scenery, full lush green. Wow. Scenery is very good actually, totally green. This is the Mandovi Express, or also called as Food King or Food Express. Pantry service is very good in this train, and you can get a variety of food in this train.
Show you magic, okay? I'll show you magic. Want to see magic?
The Ping Chiploon. No, we are not. We'll stop most probably. There's a lamb chop, and I'll open it and show it to you. It's a non-veg actually. Here is jeera rice, chaat, gulab jamun, chicken gravy, and dal. It looks yum. Let me see how it tastes. And it's raining cats and dogs like outside. Food was super tasty, and nice in the case was that extra chicken, and there were 4 chicken in each box, and all were boneless, properly cooked. Dal was okay, not that I'm not that fan of veg. Jeera rice was good, roti was good, sweet, and chaat was packed, so it will be good only. So overall was good, and I'm totally full now. Good food, breakfast was good, and lunch is even better. You should try it.
K1 में है 17-18। हाँ, वो बाहर आके खड़े रहेंगे। उनका नंबर दे दो, उन्हीं लोग व्हाट्सएप पे चालू है। ठीक है, तो 2 बिपिन का दे, 2 केक दे और 2 काजू का प्लास्टिक दे। कितना है? 400 ग्राम होगा कितने का?
This is a roller. And the trucks are mounted on the flatbeds, and they are taken to the destination. This is the last point of Konkan, and from here we'll be transferred to Central Railways. There was a board actually, I missed shooting it. That was written that thank you for the stay in Konkan. And now this is Roha, this is the first station under Central Railways, and now we have left Konkan Railways. Evening snack, good day biscuit, Haldiram, this is kachori most probably, dry fruits, tomato ketchup, and tea or coffee is coming. एक शुगर
और प्रसाद आया तो आया
the containers. The container yard of railways, I suppose. Bay Lines, Eco Bay Lines. We have entered Mumbai. There is one electrified line. And now we are entering the electrified section. Welcome to Mumbai from my operator. Now I am towards the end of my journey, the journey from Goa to Mumbai on board the not exactly Goa, Karmali to Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. That can be considered as Goa to Mumbai Tejas Express is going to end. It was a nice experience onto it. The seats are very much comfortable, and food is very good. You should taste it. You should travel actually in monsoon. The Konkan looks really awesome. Train speed is not that much. It won't attain 120 km per hour, but you can enjoy the view. Chair car is also good. You can enjoy in chair car also. It is comfortable, but due to that 8+ hours journey, so I prefer to travel in executive class. And staffs are very good, TTs and everyone. Brake is totally clean, bathrooms are totally neat, and you should try this. It's a new sensation in Indian Railways, and you should literally try this. I love this train. With this, I'm signing off. I'll get down at Panvel and wait for my next video. Till then, bye. Khuda Hafiz.